Yo, what is up guys, Tiimedesign here, back again with a new video. On today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys an easier and faster method for the Benny/F1 merge glitch car to car. So this is how you do the Benny/F1 merge glitch in GTA 5 Online. Requirements. Now for this Benny/F1 merge glitch, you will only need two requirements, and that is gonna be one other person to help you out. You can drop your gamer tags down below or join the Discord. And the second requirement you will need is gonna be a donor car. As usual, you always need a donor car. And if you don't know how to get a donor car, watch this video right here or go to the description of this video on how to make your own donor car. And once you have all that, we can start the Benny/F1 merge glitch. Step 1. Now the first step you need to go ahead and do is literally one thing, and that is to walk outside or drive outside with your donor car. And then once outside, open up your interaction menu, come over here to your map blip options, select jobs, and then once here, make sure every single one of these say show. If they don't say show, just go and switch them and you should be good. And once you have all these map blip options on the map just like this, all you want to do now is back out, go inside the Ellis car meet, and now we can begin. Simple as that. Now that you're inside of the Ellis car meet, all you want to do is have your friend or you, doesn't matter who, start up the sprint job. So all you want to do is come over to your interaction menu, sprint, and then start up the sprint job right there. And now go ahead and both of you join up on the sprint job. And once you do, all you have to do now is pretty much open up your phone, come over to your contacts, call up your mechanic, and just hover over your mechanic until the job starts up. And if you did do it correctly, you should see that request delivery up there. But once you load into the sprint job, all you want to do now is go ahead and hold Y or triangle to respawn. So once you respawn, you want to do it now 2 or 3 more times. So I'm gonna respawn again, and then when I respawn, I'm gonna do it one more time just to make sure. So there you go, I'm gonna respawn one more time. So if you're on PlayStation, hold triangle, and if you're on Xbox, hold Y. And there you go, I respawned 3 times. Now find the car that you want to mod, hover over it, and respawn. And once it gets to close to finishing, go ahead and spam A. And as you can see, I did not get it first try. This will probably take you multiple tries until you do get it. For me, I got it around the 1 minute mark. So this is all about time, and you just want to keep on pretty much respawning. And when you're about to finish respawning, spam A or X if you're on PlayStation. Now this try that I'm going to show you guys right now is the method I did end up getting it on, and it did take me about a minute to go ahead until I did get it. So for it, all you want to do is hold Y or triangle, and when it got to this exact point right here on the respawn red bar right there you're seeing right now where I'm zoomed into, that's when I started spamming A, or from PlayStation, X. And that's the exact moment I started spamming. So you want to do the exact same thing as me. So time it, try and time it at that exact same spot. Just make sure when you see that exact spot, you spam A or X. And when you do get it correctly, you should get this very long loading screen just like this. Now don't worry about it, it's not gonna be an infinite loading screen. You should load back into GTA. You just want to wait, okay? There we go, I spawned back, and there's the car that I want to mod. And now we're almost done. All we have to do now is go ahead and save the car and exit the sprint job. So head over to the mechanic shop that's right up the street, and then I'll meet you guys there. So for this part, once you arrive over Los Santos Customs, you can go ahead and do 2 things. You can have your friend leave the game, or they can start up one of the blue jobs on the map. Now when I was recording, they ended up backing up before I can even explain this part. So the sprint job finishes immediately for this part, but you can have them leave the game or start up one of the blue jobs that I told you to turn on earlier in the map. But once the sprint job is over, you can now access Los Angeles Customs, and now all you have to do is change one thing on the vehicle. I recommend change the armor because that will scratch nothing on the vehicle, and after that you are done. And if you want to go check out a modded account a subscriber gave me for free, then watch this video right here and take care.